If you love to sew, I'm going to show you a way to stay organized with all of your projects, any orders that you might be shipping out, your inventory. I've got a sewing checklist, pattern inventory, a sewing inventory tracker, and a wish list. All of this is available in this one template bundle on my website at savvyandthriving.com. I'm going to show you how it works. So here we go. First, we're going to go into the sewing planner. This is going to keep track of all the projects you're working on. So we're going to have this project and it's going to be in progress. The project name is going to be a quilt, and this is going to be a pinwheel quilt. Plan for project, we're going to give it to my sister. The category is going to be a quilt. The color, it's going to say pastels. The fabric brand, you can put the brand name here. How many yards is needed? I'm going to just make up a number, 6. And then size, let's say it's going to be a large blanket, and we are going to start it on the 23rd. How much did it cost you? Let's say $75. How long is it going to take for you to complete it? Say 8 hours. And then the date you complete it. So once we complete it, we can put the date, and then we can also check it off as it's complete. This will help you to also track how much money you have spent on all of your supplies and how many projects you have going. This next one is if you're not just sewing for fun, but you're sewing to make money. I'm going to show you how this part works. Let's do a quick sample here, and then we're going to put in the order date, customer's name, their address, email, and phone if you have it. The item, let's say, is a quilt. And let's say this one's a large size. You're going to sell it for $350. Quantity of 1. Shipping fee, so it's $10.95. It will total it for you, and then you can put how much money you've actually received, if you've received payment, and if the order is complete. This will show you your total amount of revenue that you've made and the total number of sales that you've got. This is a fabric inventory tracker. So you can put the name of the fabric. So this is going to say a floral fabric. You can put the brand name, the store that you bought it from, the description, pastel florals. Let's put multicolor, the cost per yard, the content, the width in inches, the length in inches, and the total yardage. So let's say that we've got, 6 yards. And the plan for the item, we're going to use this for quilts. If there's a link for the pattern, you can put that here. If you want to buy more, or if you have extra, you can check that off as well. I've got a sewing checklist, and this is just really fun and completely editable. So if you don't like my checklist, you can change it. So we'll just say that this is going to be the pinwheel quilt. The due date of the quilt, we want to finish it by March. This is going to be for my sister. And then you're going to choose the pattern, size, calculate the fabric, the colors, and so on. If there's something that you don't like, just delete out the heading and then put additional item here. Change it, totally fine. It won't hurt anything. And any notes as well. So this can help you to figure out like how far along am I in each project. And then here is a pattern inventory tracker. We can put the name of the pattern. So let's say this is a blanket, and the brand name, and then the category. And if I don't have the pattern category here, I can always hit the edit button, scroll down, add another item. If I wanted to change the color, I can customize, and then I can choose a color. Hit OK and done. Apply to all, and now I've got a new item in my category. The description, so this is going to be a patchwork. Fabric needed, the size, let's say this is large. The skill level, let's say it's intermediate. The plan, we're going to give this to our friend. The date that you bought the pattern. The project status, so it's in progress. What store that you bought it from. The cost. How many pieces are in that pattern. the tools needed, the start date of your that you started this project, and then the completion date, and if there's a link to the pattern. This is a sewing inventory tracker. This will help you to track how many supplies that you have and the total value of all of the supplies. So you can put in the date, the category, the item, the description, fabric, the quantity. So say I have 3 yards, it costs me $10 per yard, and the value is 30. And then lastly, we have a wish list, which is really fun because we all want to buy everything that we see out there, but we can just put it on our wish list and hope that we can get it soon. So we're going to put in a new pattern. Here's the link for the item, the brand name, the store name, the description. It says a quilt pattern, the cost, and if you've purchased it or not. So that's how this planner works. This is super detailed. It's available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. There's a ton of other hobby type of spreadsheets that I have. I have lots of other spreadsheets that can help you with your home and with your business, with your budget and things like that. So feel free to take a look around. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.